Ever wondered if you can smash colors together to make soap art? I put that theory to the test. Watch me take one color palette, a bunch of colors, and smash them all together to get an incredible design. Is this a soap experiment gone wild? Hello, good day. My name is Natacia, and to some of you, this footage looks very familiar. Yes, it's familiar. Is when I take all the colors from the color palette, smash them and squish them all together, and come out with an amazing design. You remember. If you watched the previous video, I didn't have the entire soap loaf. Cray, and it drove me insane. But guess what? I have the entire soap loaf cut. And as you can tell, I'm a little excited because each bar of soap came out so intricate, so unique, so awesome, so creative and colorful. I could not believe the design of me taking all these colors and putting them together this way and getting this result. Some of you probably like, daggone girl, we saw this already. Sheesh, I am sorry. But I thought that maybe you wanted to see me cut more than 3 bars of soap and doing cleanup on our set. That upset me in the last video that I could not show you guys the entire loaf. If you look at these colors, any other place, any other time, I would not say these match. I mean, you would have to have a really nice color pattern dress for me to be like, wow, this goes together. But look at each bar of soap, you guys. Look how one color outlines the other. This soap came out really, really incredible. If you haven't seen the first video, I decided to take a color palette. The colors are supposed to somehow work together. I was not sure about this color because we had corals and blues and greens, and to me that made no sense whatsoever that would work. However, when I mixed the soap, crossed my fingers, and when I started cutting the soap, I was actually pleasantly surprised. The coral and the blue goes surprisingly well together. The green doesn't look that green, but it actually adds a pinch of splash of color that kind of bring things together. Okay, I wanted to try something that was throwing caution into the wind, getting some colors together, creating something that I haven't really seen before that's not typical. And to be honest with you guys, I was pleasantly surprised. Sometimes when I look at soap after I cut it, I try to imagine where would I see this pattern. I don't know. Would I see this on a planet? Would I see this on a map? Would I see it in somebody's dress or a cute top? See it in nature? Where would I see this pattern? I want to give a big bubble shout out to the following individuals. They landed on my Sudzy honor roll this time. In one of my videos towards the end, I said that I will recognize people, host on my next videos within the first 24 hours, or answer any of the questions that I asked towards the end of my video. And these individuals have done so in the last 2 videos. And I want to thank you so much. And I want to thank everyone who supplied feedback and view my channel and view my videos and make comments and put the likes in. I appreciate everyone. Look how the colors go together. The design itself looks pretty incredible. Like if I had to sit down and say, let me do a design that looks like a hurricane blizzard slushy that looks delicious, I don't think I would have came up with something like this or even know how to come up with something like this. Now, actually wearing these colors in public, now that's a whole nother story, you know? I don't know that can really not play tricks on my eyes, if you know what I mean. YouTube told me to tell you to click on the video at the top because you're gonna love it. Protect your beautiful skin
and your beautiful energy. Please like my videos, watch them a ton of times, hype the videos also, like, share, and subscribe, and I see you guys on the next one. Ciao for now.